Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about Python. Already in few video I given few example why we are using Python, why it is uh, everyone is using this. What is the reason for the famous? Everyone depend on Python. This all things I given in previous class very clearly. My dear, in this class, I will tell you how to download the Python and how to install. Okay, after a few example. First of all, go to the browser. Okay, go to the browser. Uh, Type in a URL download Python. Download Python for Windows 10 64-bit. Here, my dear, you have to identify what is a bit of computer. There are two bits here. Okay, there is a 2 bit. One is a 34 and another one is a 32. First of all, go to control panel. Okay, open control panel in your computer. When you open a control panel, here in search box just type system. The system is a just you click. Okay, here you can able to see here 64-bit operating system. So some systems there will be 32-bit, some system 86-bit. Okay, 32-bit and 86-bit both are same. Okay, again I am saying 32-bit and 86-bit. Okay, okay, 32-bit and 86-bit both are same. Okay, so mine is a 64. So in a browser just check 64. Okay, now just click. Okay, any new release for Windows 10 or any. Okay, both are same only, python.org. This also python.org. Okay, just to click any. So here it is the latest version, latest Python release, Python 3.9.1. If you click, so here there will be option to download. Okay, so I think so this one will be better. Directly it is going to the download. See, now if I click download, here python.org download. Okay, just one click. Now download Python 3.9.1. If I click this, automatically it will be downloaded. Already I downloaded. Okay, now today see, you can able to see. Okay, so this is a file. When I double click this, it will ask to run. After, automatically it will install. After installation, okay, go to the start menu. Here you can able to see Python 39 point, sorry 3.9 64-bit. Just one click. Now this is a Python window. Okay, this is a Python window. Okay, my dear, before going to the Python, okay, before going to the Python, once again I'm saying Python is very famous because of its flexibility. What is the flexibility? You can able to use a Python in many places. Example, for web oriented you can do, offline oriented you can do, system oriented you can do, robotics, data science, aeronautical engineering. So these are the places we can able to use a Python. And any language, it depend on another extension, another add-ons. Okay, another language support is necessary, but Python, it stands on its own leg. Okay, anywhere everything is available in Python. Okay, means of from few languages are there, it will, we can able to use in that particular area only, field only, but Python we can able to use in everywhere. Okay, what are the features? Okay, it is very simple and easier. Okay, it is a simple and easier. After, you can able to run the output in any, means what the program you created, that program you can run in a Windows also, Apple system also, or Android mobile also, Ubuntu, Linux, Unix, anywhere you can able to run the program file. You know well what file is supporting in Windows, it will support in a Apple computer, correct? But in Python it is not like that. Program file you can able to run anywhere. Okay, program file you can able to run anywhere. So here they given, okay, it is a case sensitive first thing. Here they given two type of interactive. Okay, one is a simple interactive, next one is a script mode interactive. Okay, working modes. Sir, what is the interactive mode? Interactive mode means it will execute line by line. Okay, it will execute line by line. Script means a 10-20 lines you will write, after it will execute. Okay, now see, I'm going to start a Python. So I started Python. Now this is an interactive mode. Okay, script mode tomorrow we can able to see. Tomorrow we can see the script mode. Okay, now in this interactive mode, whatever inputs we are giving, it will generate the value next line itself, line by line. Interactive mode, line by line. Now see, 1 plus 1 what? 2. 1 enter key, it is giving 2. 50 plus 8, 58. Sir, only add? No, we can do anything. Minus 8, 4. Sir, only we can able to do one operation? No, you can use how much you need. See, 10 plus 4, 5 minus 7 into 256 uh, divided by 2 uh, into 400 means this is a sum. I given very big, large. Okay, and what will be the answer? This will be the answer. Okay, this will be the answer. Minus 358385. Okay, 35. Sorry, 3,58,385.0 means this is a script mode. Okay, this is a this is a interactive mode. Interactive mode execute line by line. In your book they given few commands in a interactive mode. You have to learn first of all print statement. Already in last year Q basic you all learned print statement is used to display output, generate output. Whatever things we are writing inside of input, it will show in output, correct? Now see here, I am going to use a print. Okay, open bracket. Here I used a semicolon. Okay, I'm going to zoom that. Okay, here I used one semicolon. If you want, sorry, one quotes I used. Okay, one quotes I used. Uh, Welcome. Okay, same one, close. Are you getting? Okay, one single quote I opened, single quote I closed, and press enter. Now it is welcome. Getting? In case print, if I want to use double quotes, of course we can use double quotes. Enter. Welcome. Sir, I can use single quote and double quote? No. If you start with a single quote, you should end with a single quote. If you start with a double quote, you should end with a double quote. Okay, now see here. Print. I am starting with a single quote and double quote, close, enter. Syntax error. Why it is coming error? Because if you start with a single, you should end with a single. If you start with a double, you should end with a double. But here I used what? Single double. So it should not be. Okay. So this is a interactive. It will execute line by line. Sir, in print statement, only we can able to generate output which we typed in between the quote. No, it is not like that. You can able to display the output whatever things you entered typed inside of the code, plus we can do calculation also. Example here, uh, print, okay, the sum of uh, 2 plus 3, okay, equal. See, listen very clearly. What things you are typing in between the codes, computer will never read. Whatever you types, computer will generate output. So here I opened a single quote. Here I closed a single quote. Okay. Now 2 plus 3. Close it. Over. Now kindly see here. What computer will do? What things you typed in between the quote. It can be single or double. Okay, but it should be both side, it should be common, same. Okay, what are things you written inside of the code, computer will never read, so it will come in output plus. Here I mentioned comma. Comma denotes this statement is over. Okay, this statement is over. 2 plus 3 is there. Now just one enter. The sum of 2 plus 3 equal to what? 5. Computer generates. This is interactive. And few things you should know. What are the comma, tab, next line. Okay, now see here, print. Okay, now I am going to use 10 comma. Okay, in a book they given few things. What are they? Comma, okay, after tab and the next line. So these are the things, okay, these three things they given how to use in an interactive mode. First now we will go for the comma. Okay, first we will go for the comma. Now I am just zooming and going to the Python. Okay, now 10 comma 20 close, uh, bracket close, enter. So here you can able to see the gap. Sir, mistake, instead of this comma, if I type directly, what will happen? Print. Okay, 10 space 20. See here we didn't leave any space, only comma we used. Okay, so it will give. If you are giving space here, definitely it will output. Okay, wait. Why here it is coming space? Because we left the space here, but here we didn't give the space. In case print. Okay, next one is a 10. Okay, next one is a 10. Okay, sorry, 10. T for tab. Okay, tab means what? Space. Okay, 20. Close it. Tab means a space. One tab includes 5. Sorry, here it is a mistake. We should use a comma. Okay, we should use a comma. Okay, tab means a space. One tab hold 5 letter. Here you can able to see comma. Comma means it is separating. One tab space. Okay, so this is a tab. Okay, tab denotes a space. In case if I use next line, copy. Here I can use n. N means what? Next line. Okay, comma, comma. See a print 10, comma, separated. And this is what? Next line. Separated 20. Now 10, 20. Okay, 10, 20. So this is a simple program. My dear, Python you can install in your mobile also. In mobile also you can run Python. You can go to the Play Store and you can run the Python in a Play Store itself. Okay, means you can application is there, you can download, you can run and you can check the Python. No need to install in a computer. You can just install simple application for Python in a mobile and you can run. Today this interactive mode is enough. Okay, your homework is whatever things I done now. Open a book and see the interactive mode they given in a book and complete it. Okay, okay my dear students, today class is enough. Okay, tomorrow we can see the script mode. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching my dear, thanks at all.